Hello friends, welcome again to my channel. Today I'm going to unbox a most popular pen tablet which come from Veikk, and its model is Creator A15 Pro. I just shared lots of about this tablet, so I decided to purchase it and going to see the performance of this tablet. Its color is red, that is marked this side, you can see, and I purchased it from the rest. So without any delay, let's just open it and see what we have in this box. So I'm pretty excited to see what they provide in this box. So let's see. After opening the box, I just found gloves, and I am going to use it when I'm drawing on this tablet. So let's put it aside. Then we have this tablet in a plastic, and it's covered very well, and its weight is so lighter in weight when I just take it in my hand. So I will show it at the last. So let's see what we have. There is some pen nibs and nib remover through which you can change the nib of this pen. So then you have a information, documents, and a manual. If you want, then read it out and check how to use this. Then you have a cable. This is a type C cable, and it looks great. Cable is so heavy and good quality, and there is another side is USB type. So then we have a pen to draw. The pen was in a cover was so great. After opening the pen, I see the nib was so light, but I think it's okay. There is two button, you can see, and button was so crispy, clicking sound was great, and the build quality is quite good. I think when I have it in my hand, I feel great. It feels something like a pen. So took it side. Then we have a stand to pen stand for standing your pen when you are going to take rest. So stand out here. So there is another part of this pen stand. Here it is. There is some drawing and some nib also here in this second part. We just connect both of these and make a stand. And after this we have nothing in this box, just a hard cover. So this is all we have in this box. Just show them in a frame, in a single frame. Some documents, pen nibs, and gloves, and cable, pen stand. So this is all we have in this box, and now I'm going to talk about the tablet. How is the build quality of this pen tablet? So took it in the box and open the cover of this tablet. That was pretty tight. Looks like intake. Feel great. So this is it. This is our main thing. It's a matte finish over the tablet while we are drawing or use the working area. There is lots of buttons are great. When I click it, it provides some good noise, good clicking sound. There is a dial through which you can zoom in, zoom out the working area, and as well as you can increase or decrease the brush size of your pen. This dial is awesome, and you feel premium when you are just use it. There is something written down, so it's great to look at, and I feel good. There is a Veikk logo, and working area is marked here. And on the left side of this tablet you can see a Type-C port, and at the back we have 4 rubber pad for standing it on the table, and some information will be written down, and a dot pattern is shown here, and it's make it so beautiful. You feel something shiny at the back because of its matte finish. It feels so good. So all in all, it's a great package, and now we need to wait for its performance, and I will share all of the experience of this tablet with you. So today up to this is all we have in this box, in this unboxing review. Stay tuned and stay with us for more information and the quality of this tablet. So in the next video I will show you the software installation and the using of this tablet. Till then, bye bye.